Hey everyone, Abraham Carroll here. I wanted to pop on here real quick and give a special thanks to a good friend of mine, Nicholas Bonitatibus, and he has been an inspiration to me when it comes to filming on the go. Post whatever you got, don't worry about what type of content, what type of lighting, what type of trees are behind you and things like that. He just told me to get that content out there, man. And still to this day, I still have issues with it. But every time I talk to my buddy Nick, he just tells me, don't worry about it. Like, what are you worried about? Like, why does it matter? Like, who cares? Like, you have a business, right? You're going places, right? Like, why would you care about what people think about you so much to where you wouldn't post this important content that you have? So everybody's got something important to say. And that's what Nick has helped me realize, that it's not just about the stage fright and getting over talking in front of people and what they'll think about me and what they'll say about me. It's not about that. It's about, do you feel like you have something important to say? Then get on tape and record it and just keep putting it out there. Put it out there, repetition. But over the years, Nick has been captivating in his posts, and you can see, like, he started out, he filmed his first few videos and they weren't perfect, right? But over the years or over the months, he got better and better. Of course, you sit there and you look back at your content and analyze it and what can I do better? What can I add to it to make it a little bit better? And I can remember the gestures with the hands, man. I love Nick so much, man. And him trying to get his hands just right in the picture so that he can express himself and keep it going, because hand movements are a game changer for videos. I think a lot of people need to kind of get out of that comfort zone and share who they are. You know, videos don't have to be, you know, all this negative garbage you see on Facebook. They could be positive, they could be reinforcing, they could be educational. And Nick's got that light, he's got that fire to help you in whatever you do, kind of ignite that inside of you and to put you on your next step to being a blog expert, just putting out the videos, just slaying it. So I love you, Nick, and cheers, bud.